Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve 5 by 5 by 5 Ultramorphix cube. This is basically next version of this Megamorphix cube. This is 4 by 4, this is 5 by 5, this is Mastermorphix. So 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. So this is very interesting cube and very smooth. So first let's scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So first we will start with making 3 by 3 centers. So first let's start with red and yellow. So first we'll have to find red and yellow centers. So we have to align with red and yellow. Now we can see it is aligned with this. So this first center is very easy. It is very intuitive. We have to find one more red over here. So this red, let's try with this, or maybe okay. You can see it is matching. Now we have to match one red and yellow piece with red piece. So we'll have to find red and yellow piece. Yes, it is here, and we need to find one more red piece. So it should be in so we'll try with this. So for that we need to move like this, and now we'll try to match with this red. So it is matching. So what we'll do is we'll bring this, we can try one more thing. We can bring this red also. Okay, so what we can do is we'll bring this red out of this layer, and we'll try to fix with this red. So now you can see it is matching with this, and now we can bring it back. So now we have to bring one more yellow, two yellow pieces here and one yellow piece here. So what we can do is we can bring this out and we'll try to match it with this yellow. So let's try with this yellow. No, it is not matching. You can see it doesn't match. So let me start with another yellow. No. So what we'll do is maybe we can try with these two. So we'll take it away and now we can try with these two yellow pieces. So yes, this is matching. Now you can see, and okay, so one more yellow we need to put it here. So we need to find one more yellow which is here. So let's try with this. We need to ensure this doesn't disturb. So what we'll do is we'll bring this down. It is matching. Take it away and bring it up so that our this pieces should not disturb. Now bring it back. So now you can see our almost 2-3 lines. Third, I mean only one piece is left. So let's try with this. Okay, so take it out. And now we have to find one yellow piece which should match with this. So it is matching and this piece is also matching. So now we can see it is matching. Now we can bring it back. So our one center is done. So now next step is to fix the corners so that we get to know which is the adjoining centers. So this is red and yellow, but this is opposite of this center. So we'll try with this. You can see this is matching. So and this piece will go here probably, and we'll try with this. So no. So it is nothing but RIDIRD. So just to fix the corner, RIDIRD. RI DIRD. So now you can see we have both the corners which is into correct position. So now we know that this center should be yellow and blue, right? And this center should be red, and because this is red, so this should be red and blue. So red and blue is here, so it should be here. This center should be here. So first we will start with red and blue. Okay, so we have to fix red and blue over here, and this piece should be red and green. Red and green is already here, so we can get to know that this is the red and green center. Now this should be yellow and green. Yellow and green is also into its correct position. So, and this is yellow and blue, so yellow and blue is also in its correct position. Okay, so now we have to fix one by one centers. So let's start with yellow and blue. Yellow and blue. Now what we can do is okay, so let's try with this. Yes, so it should be first we need to align with this center so that it should be correctly positioned. Okay, so okay, let's start with this. So now you can see these four pieces are already into correct position. We need to fix these four pieces. So this is already into its correct position. We need to find one more yellow and blue. Yellow and blue is here, and we need to fix here. So what we can do is we need to find one more blue, which is, we can try with this blue also. So no, it is not matching, so let's try with this blue. Yeah, so you can see this is matching. So what we'll do is we'll take it out and bring this back. So now we have to find one more blue over here. So here we have two blues. Let's try with this. So now you can see it is matching. So what we can do is we'll have to fix this yellow and blue into its correct position. So we'll bring it up and rotate it and bring this down. So now you can see only one piece is left which we need to fix it, that is yellow. So let's try with this yellow piece. So for that we need to first shift this layer to different center and then we'll fix it. So first we'll try with this piece. It is fixed. Bring it back so that your this center should not disturb. Again move it like this and now try with this, and this is also fixed. And again move it and bring this back so that your center is not disturbed. Now we have our this yellow and blue center which is fixed. So what we'll do is we'll bring it up, turn it like this and bring it down. So now you can see we have two centers which are fixed. So now our two centers are fixed. Now we have to again reset the corners to get to know whether it is into correct position or not. So this is into correct position. So now we can see it is taking shape. So this center and this center are into its correct position. Now we have to fix here it is red and blue, so red and blue is here, so we have to fix red and blue here. So let's fix it. We have one red and blue here, but it is not correctly oriented, so we have to fix one more red piece. Let's try with this. So okay, so we'll have to what we will have to do is we'll have to fix with probably this blue, but I don't think that is the correct blue. Okay, so we'll bring it out first and then what we can do is we can maybe probably try with this blue, so that now we can see it is matching with this blue. So we'll rotate it and bring this back so that our yellow and red center should not disturb. Now we have to fix one more blue over here, that is here. So let's try with this. Okay, so let's try with this. What we'll do is we'll bring it down, move it like this and bring it up. Every time you rotate any layer, bring it back so that your other centers should not disturb. So this layer is already been done, so we have to fix it with this in such a fashion that it should match with this center. So okay, So now you can imagine it is matched like this. So now you can see it is matched like this. So this line is not useful for us, but don't worry, we will again make it. So bring it back. No, this is not the right position. So what we'll do is we'll try with this red. No. So what we'll do is we'll have to first fix this red and blue piece and rotate it and bring it back so that this center should not disturb. So now we have one layer which is already completed. We have to fix these two layers. We'll try with this, or maybe this one red is here, so let's try with this okay, so this is matching. What we'll do is we'll bring this out and fix it there. Okay, so now we have two pieces which we need to fix here. So red, okay, and bring it out and bring this down. Now again we'll fix this red and take it away and bring it back. So our one layer is done. So let's try to fix it with this. So now we can see it is taking shape. Now we have to fix these two last layer. So this is here, and what we can do is we'll bring it out or maybe what we can do is we'll first take it here and bring it out of way and bring this down. So now we have this piece which we can fix it with this red like this and bring it down. Again we have to fix with this red. So what we'll do is we'll keep it like this and we'll try to bring it down and take it away. So now we can see this center. Okay, we have disturbed our red and blue. Where is red and blue? Red and blue, red and blue. No, sorry, yellow and blue. So yellow and blue is here. So what we can do is we can bring this down and take it back. Okay, so now we have to fix the third layer, which is red and blue. Where is red and blue? red and blue is here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll bring it down and take it away and bring it up. So now you can see our third layer is also done. We'll bring it up, take it out and bring this layer down. No, it doesn't match. So again what we'll do is we will have to fix it from different angle. So let's try with this angle. So this is not the right red. You can see it will be like this. So we need to find two blues, not the red one. Okay, so what we'll do is we need to find two blue pieces which are already there. So let's try with this blue, but this is not the right blue. So what we'll do is we'll bring it up and take it out of way and bring it down. We'll try with these blues. So let's try with this blue piece first, this one. Okay, so now we can see it is matching and bring it back. So we have our third layer which is blue and red, and it's done. But for that we need to do one more thing. We'll have to bring this up and rotate it and bring this down so that our other centers should not be disturbed. Okay, so now you can see our three centers are done. So our three centers are already done. Now we have to find we have to fix next center. So this is basically red and green. So let's start with red and green. We have one red and green over here and one red and green is here. So first let's try and understand. Here it should be two green. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll fix two green over here. So let's try with this. Yeah, it is matching. So take it out and bring this down. Every time we need to whenever we move any layer, we need to bring it out and bring it back so that other center should not be disturbed. Now again we'll have to find whether it matches. Yes, this is matching with, sorry, we need to find green over here. So what we'll do is we'll have to fix this green. Let's, so it is matching with this. So bring it out and bring this back. So now our green and red one layer is done. Now let's try to fix it. So bring it back. Now we have to fix this layer. Here it should be red, green and green. So red, green, corner, green and green. So where is red, green? Okay, here it is. So let's try with this green. Okay, bring this back. So this is fixed. Now we have to fix one more green. So let's try with this. Okay, this is matching. So bring it out and bring this back. Okay, so this is also fixed. Now what we'll do is we have to bring this out and take this layer into its correct position. So now we can see our this center is also taking shape. Now we have to fix this layer. So this is green and red, red and red. So we need to red. So for that what we'll do is we'll bring this to this layer and take it out and bring this back. Okay, now we have two red over here, but I don't think that will match. So we'll try with this red. No, it doesn't match. So we'll try with this red. Okay, this is matching. So bring this down. Okay, so now we have to fix one more red. So bring it down, take it away and bring it up. Now we have to fix one red piece. So let's try with this red. So bring it down. Okay, and bring it away and bring this up. So now we have our third layer is also completed. Right, now we have to fix this yellow center, I mean red center. So this is the right center. So what we'll do is we'll take this layer out of the center and then we'll fix. So we'll bring it out and bring this back. Now what we'll do is we'll first fix this, bring it out and bring this back. Again we'll fix this red and bring it back. So now you can see this layer is also done. So what we'll do is we'll first take this to this center and bring it this layer over here and we'll bring it down. So up and we will bring this back. So now you can see this center is also fixed. So last center, two centers are tricky. So now we are left with two centers which we have to fix. So it will be, it is very tricky. So we'll have to fix this with 3 cycle algorithm. That is, if we have to bring, let's try with one center, corner. So let's see if this is blue and it should be here, right? So we'll do one algorithm and that will move this piece over here, this piece over here, and this piece over here, right? So it is 3 cycle movement. So what we'll do is we'll bring this up, move it 90°, then again we'll take this up, move it again 90° anti-clockwise, bring this back again 90° clockwise and bring this back. So now you can see this layer, this corner is fixed. So this corner was here, so and this corner was here, so it is 3 cycle movement, and by doing this we fixed this piece also and this piece also. We need to fix this piece, so it should be here, but this is wrongly placed, so we have to again do the correct placing. We'll do it first. We'll fix this center. So here it should be green, so we'll fix this green. Let's see if fixes with this. Okay, so you can see it is fixes with it. So we have to fix this green over here. So this green will go here, this yellow will go here, and this piece will come here. So it's up anti-clockwise 90°. Again this layer will go up clockwise 90°. This layer will go down and anti-clockwise 90°, and this layer will go down. So now you can see this is fixed. This green is also fixed. Now we have to fix this blue and green. So green should be here. This green we can try. It is matching. So what we'll do is so this centerpiece, what we can do is it is again same 3 cycle algorithm. This green will come here, this piece will come here, blue, and this will come here. So let's I'll just show you. Up 90°. We have to bring this center layer up, and this should be in the same position. So up, then again 90° down, again anti-clockwise 90°, and now we have to bring this center layer down. So by doing this, now you can see this center is also, this piece is also fixed. So this blue was here, so and this green was here, so we did 3 cycle movement, so this is fixed. Now we have to fix this blue, so let's try with this blue. It is matching, so what we'll do is the same 3 cycle algorithm. This blue will come here, this green will come here, and this yellow will come here. So up 90-degree, middle layer, up again clockwise 90-degree, back again anti-clockwise 90-degree, and back this middle layer. So by doing this, now you can see our this center is fixed. Now this is last center we have to fix. So now we are left with last center. So what we'll do is we'll use this yellow center, yellow pieces to fix this, and for green we'll use this green pieces which are already solved. So first we need to find, this is the center, so this piece is wrongly placed. It should be, this piece should be here, and here it should be, this piece should be here. So first what we'll do is this is green, this piece should be this piece should be okay, this piece should be here. Okay, so what we'll do is it is rotated wrongly, so we'll have to flip it. So first what we'll do is we'll take this yellow piece as buffer. So we'll do 3 cycle algorithm, that is, for that this piece will go here, this yellow piece will come here, and this green piece will come here. Or what we can do is we'll fix we'll do it like this. So here this piece will go here, this piece will come here. No, this is also not the correct thing. So what we can do is probably we'll try with this only. Okay, we'll try with this only. This piece will go here, this piece will go here, and this piece will come here. So this is the piece which should be here. So first we'll place this piece. So up anti-clockwise, then up clockwise, down anti-clockwise, and down. So you can see this is fixed. Only thing is this piece is, this center is disturbed because of this piece, but we can fix it. So now we have to see whether if we fix this piece over here, it is matching, right? So what we'll do is this piece will go here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here, and again we'll do the same algorithm to fix it. So it will come here, it will come here, it will come here, and second time it will fix here. So let's start with this. Up 90° anti-clockwise, up again 90° clockwise, down 90° anti-clockwise, and down. So this piece is, now again we'll do the same algorithm, and this piece will fix here. So up 90° anti-clockwise, up 90° anti-clockwise, down 90° anti-clockwise, and down. So now you can see this is fixed. We are left with this green. Okay, green we can fix it over here, but that will disturb our other piece. So what we'll do is, from here now we can try okay. So what now we'll do it, we'll try with this. So this yellow piece will come here, this green piece will come here, and it will be solved. So let's try with this. Up anti-clockwise, up clockwise, down anti-clockwise, and down. So now you can see this is solved, this green is solved. Now we have to fix this line, is also solved. We have to fix this 1 2 3 4 pieces. So what we can do is, we'll now try with green center, which is here. So what we'll do is, first we'll have to bring this up, this will come here and this will come here, right? Again we will have to do the same thing, because this yellow piece should be here. So let's try with this. Up 90°, up again clockwise 90°, down anti-clockwise 90°, and down. So by doing that, what we have done is, this is already into its correct position. Now what we can do is, we'll try to fix these three. So this will go here, this will come here, and this will come here. Again we'll do the same algorithm and we can fix it. So up, left, up, right, down, left, down. So now you can see this is fixed, but again we'll have to do the same algorithm. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So up anti-clockwise 90°, up clockwise 90°, down anti-clockwise, and down. By doing that, now you can see we are left with only two pieces. This is already into its correct position. Now we are left with two pieces only. which we need to fix. So here it should be green. So we will try with this. This green will come here, this green will come here, and this yellow will come here, this green will come here, and this green will come here. Okay, so let's do it. Up 90 degree. We have to do this layer, or we can do one more thing. Instead of this, no, this is the only thing which we can. Should we try this? Yeah. Okay, so this is the correct position. So this green will come here, this green will come here and it will be solved, and this yellow will come here and it will be solved. So this is the only one 3 cycle left which we can solve at one time. So up 90 degree, second layer only, up 90 degree, down, again move 90 degree, and middle layer down. So now you can see both the centers are solved, and all centers are now solved.